Hello AP Lit, this is your Huck Lit Crit video helper. So, I'm not going to show you as much as I did with Hamlet, but I'm going to go in and show you a few things. So to get to your Lit Crit group, you can go to readylibrary.com and click on AP Lit Crit Huck This video helper will be linked right here and embedded down here. It'll also be in this Mackinvia group right here. So you are going to log into Mackinvia, Ready as your site, 6-digit student ID as your login, 8-digit birthday as your password. Something I didn't put in your last group, but that I went ahead and put in this group is this using sources with academic integrity. There are a couple of things in here I want to point out to you. The MLA guides are down here, and how to use quotes, effective paraphrasing, poor paraphrasing. I know that there's been a lot of things going around with how to use quotes, so there are some resources in this document for you for those purposes. In here we also have the Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. There is only one copy of this book in here, but this is the ebook, and you can access it from here, and you can open it and of course look in it and make notes and those kinds of things, which will also show up in your notebook here. Okay, so you don't have to check it out to make the notes and things in the book. The other thing we have is again, we have the audiobook, which again, only one copy. You can listen now or you can check it out right there. And then we also have, actually it looks like we have 2 copies of that. And then we also have the Bloom's Guide, which is right here. And so if I go open now on this, I can come over here to the table of contents and I can see what things are in here. I can also go to the index right here to see, you know, if I want to look at something specific in the book. So those are 2 resources at your disposal for this book, is both the index and the table of contents. And like I said, the table of contents kind of gives you a breakdown of what's in here, okay? So that is your Bloom's Guide. And then there are 3 databases in here. All of these databases, I highly suggest that you use the advanced search option. So instead of just going in here and typing in, you know, Huckleberry Finn, let's wait for it to load. I suggest you click on advanced and come over here and type in, let's see, Huckleberry Finn. And then you may also want to do novel search, because you're going to want to focus on that. So there are 234 literary criticisms in here, 55 biographies, topic and work overviews, reviews and news, primary sources and literary works, as well as multimedia. So down here, you'll be able to see, like, if you're looking for a critical essay, if you're looking for a specific publication or author, which you guys probably won't know of that. But you will probably notice that some of the literary criticisms, so like if I expand this, might be comparing multiple works. So you might want to focus on the ones that are just about Huckleberry Finn versus comparing it to, or versus other works being compared to it, or comparisons of other works. So you can kind of narrow your results by using these over here. You can also search within the results by typing in right there. And then you can also come down here to the topic finder, which I find is helpful. I like the wheel view better than the tile, but you might like the tile view. And so you can see the tile view right there. I like the wheel because then I can see, you know, what am I looking for? I'm looking for, you know, essays about Jim or morality or whatever. So you can kind of go through there, and it will narrow down the results for you that way. Okay, so that's just one of the resources available through the Gale. Literature Resource Center is going to be very similar. Twain's Author Series. So if we come in here and we put in Huckleberry Finn. So in here, there's going to be, you'll notice that there's critical essays, work overview, topic overview. So a little more limited in here, but you may find some things that may not be in the other databases. So not as many things over here, but this is going to be a little more targeted, this database will. Okay, so as always, if you guys have any questions or you need anything in regards to this, do feel free to email me, lambertin@friscoisd.org, or come by the library and I will be happy to assist you with anything that you need help with. All right, good luck, Lions.